Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here again with part 2 of my ride to Chikmagaluru. In case you missed the first one, the link is in the description. Make sure you watch that first. It rained a lot last night, and it's a new day, new dawn, so let's get cracking. Getting out of the woods now, and we are getting back on the main road right now. But it's starting to rain again, and the skies don't look good. I think this is going to be a really wet day for me. The rain is getting heavier, but it's not going to stop me. The plan here is to take this road to get to Mulyangiri. We'll be taking a right here. To use this road, they charge you 10 rupees per bike, and if you're coming by a car, it's around 50 bucks. I would never blame the rain for anything because the rain just makes everything look beautiful. It just makes the greens pop out. It's like a feast for your eyes, and the rain is cooking it for you. What you're seeing right now isn't fog. We are actually riding through rain clouds because for the past 1 hour we've been doing nothing but climbing up. So we are here now, we are at the top, just need to park the bike somewhere and get on with this short trek to the highest peak in Karnataka. They say that the view from the top is just amazing, but oh, bad luck for me. It's raining and there's a lot of clouds and I couldn't see anything, but it was quite a climb. They say it's about 400 steps up to the top, and it's like an accomplishment, climbing the highest peak in the state of Karnataka. Gotta climb back down now because we have places to go. Back on the saddle, back in the rain, we are heading down Mulyangiri, and our next spot, our next destination is Baba Budangiri. The rain has been pretty unforgiving. It's pouring down, and even when we reach Baba Budangiri, I think it's going to be the same case. We won't be able to see anything, but who cares? Look at this beauty right now. I'm just riding through these lush green hills. I'm carving corners. I'm just soaking in all this nature's beauty. What more could I ask for? I'm just living my life, man. There are roads up to the Baba Budangiri peak, but the last 5 kilometers are not pretty good. So you'll have to stop before and take a jeep to get to the peak. I think I could have done this by myself on my bike if it just wasn't for this non-stop rain. So they charged me like 200 bucks for going up and down, about 10 kilometers in total. On reaching the top, this was the best view that I could get from all these fog and rain. And if we take that path going down, that would take us to Jhari Falls. So, Babu Budangiri and also went to Jhari Falls. It's pretty cold. நான் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக வெட்டாக இருக்கேன். It's raining, so just taking a shelter in a jeep here. I can see the smoke coming out of my mouth. Whoa. Back on the bike, just one more place that I wanted to cover before heading back, and that is Jhari Waterfalls. Again, you can't take your bike directly to this falls, and this is the spot where we'll have to take another jeep to get down there. problem I'm facing here is that I have to pay 800 rupees to book a jeep, and there is no single person ticket. So here I was thinking I don't want to pay 800 bucks to get down there. And to my fortune and to my luck, there was these bunch of guys from my state, Tamil Nadu, who graciously took me as one of their own and took me to the waterfalls for free. And I couldn't thank them enough. The jeep would take us only so far, and from there we'll have to go on foot. And don't be afraid to get your shoes wet. And there she is, in all her mighty, the Jhari waterfall. That was the magnificent Jhari Falls, and now we just gotta head back. I'm now on my way back to the Chikmagaluru town, and finally the rains have stopped and the fogs are now clearing up. And these are some of the views that we missed on our way up these mountains. I'm on my way back from up these mountains, and on the way I just found this mini waterfall. Just look at that. We are now back in Chikmagaluru town, and it looks like it hadn't rained at all here. The roads are pretty dry. So I'm on my way to get something to eat. So we are now in the market road. I am heading towards this specific place to get some food. It is very special here in Chikmagaluru. So to get there, when you're on the market road and you see that pillar coming up straight ahead, you will have to take a right. And if you ask me why this place is special, because this place, which is called Marco's Mess, has been in Chikmagaluru for over 50 years, and they are known for their pork. And they are pretty easy on the pocket. A plate of pork fry and meals would just cost you around 150 bucks. I had a really good plate of food, and now I'm on my way to get myself some coffee. We are in Chikmagaluru, and it is called the land of coffee. If you find yourself in Chikmagaluru and you want the best coffee, there is only one place that you need to go, and that is Panduranga's Coffee Works. I've seen places, I've had my lunch, I've got my coffee, and now I'm just heading back to the hostel to call it a day and get some rest. Another beautiful day here at the hostel, but unfortunately today I'm heading back home. Time to say goodbye to the hostel and get back on the road and back home. Let's say our final goodbyes to the land of coffee, and I am going to leave you here. I hope you enjoyed this video and this trip to Chikmagaluru with me, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.